National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Mariposa County in central California, northeastern Merced County in central California until 7:30 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 7 miles northwest of Planada, or near Merced, and moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Caffey's Valley and Lake McClure through 7:30 p.m. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. The National Weather